Hello guys, today we are seeing another aluminum cement tank. This cement tank is also banana type, but it's different than the others. It has a water tank on the top. We shall see it later. You can see the water pipe going through, passing the tank body to the bottom. What this is used for? This is a good question. Okay, so same as all the other trailers, it has the braking line connection. This is different than the hand clamping type. This is like from the hydraulic system. This is a faster connecting joint. This is the ABS socket. This is the electricity socket. Here is the port for the outside air source for the tank body. You can see the ABS for this trailer is Wabco, and this is the material information on top of it. At the bottom, we can see the kingpin and landing gear, side protection, same as all the others. One of the stairs in the front to the top, and the bulkhead looks very beautiful because they make those very special things in the front, and also that is the holder of the outside air source for this. All the pipeline are lying in the left side of the trailer. We have discussed how to tell the left and right side. You need to face to the front of the trailer. So your right hand would be the right side of the trailer, and your left hand would be the left side of the trailer. Then after that, we can see the water pipe is going from there to there. So you can have the water get it out for some driver use, like wash your hands or clean your tank. We also have another pipe from here, so you can have a huge water tank in the left and the right side on the top, and this one goes to here. Yeah, this is the outside. Okay, this is another switch. You can get the water out from this tank. Okay, after that, we have another ladder from here to the top. At the rear, it says the tank has pressure. If you're not professional, please do not go to the top because that's quite dangerous. This is the toolbox. So you can have some small parts stored here and give it a lock so you can keep it safe. All right, I think that would be all for today's video. If you guys like our video, please click the subscription or the like button at the bottom. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and see you guys next time. Bye bye, have a nice day.